Hello, it's me, Eric. It's been a long time. Here is TopGum. And if you see closely, it is a sophisticated backup. And it has dual output, 3.4 amperes. And we have aluminium.
Oh wait, Eric, how many talk times does it have?
I'm getting there. We have 6,000 milliampere hours, and we have a high capacity. That's what it is. And the moment we've all been waiting for, talk time, 25-hour talk time.
That's a lot of talk time.
Just mobile. And if you see here, it's like a erectile dysfunction sticking out of the thing. And yeah, now let's get to it. Here we have sleek packaging. As you can see, it is a phone that looks very new, very in touch with the youngsters nowadays, yes. Now let's see how much talk time we can get out of this bad boy. I'm having difficulties opening this. Oh wait. I think no, I don't want to rip open the package, it's so beautiful. No! Oh my god. I just ruined it. Well.
Well, you know what they say, sometimes you have to rip open the package for a lot of talk time.
That is very true. Now. Before we get into this, let's read the description. Yes. Talk time, aluminium talk time. Now, if you see here, it is product diagram. And you plug this thing in the thing and you peel it off. And you adapt charge and the charging dock. Yes, this is the dock, I presume. Now, let's see. How do you talk with it? I believe.
Try saying hello.
Hello. Hey Siri. Hey talk time.
Hey Google. Hey Alexa.
As you can see, it's not turning on. I think I just got scammed by Alshop. And it's not even opening. Oh my god. This talk time won't even talk. What do I do now? Well, here that's it for today. For today's talk time, guys. If
Be sure to do a lot of talk.
there is a cameraman.
I did the camera for this episode.
He was very good at cameraing. He was getting all the good shots.
I was the best.
He was the best. Now we must say goodbye. Goodbye. I've said goodbye.